Hey pen pals, it's Wednesday! In creepy lounge of creepiness. I really don't like this room. So creepy. I was studying in here once alone, and it was probably like 3 in the morning, and the lights turned off by themselves, and I was just like, ah. But anyway, we have a challenge this week, which is to read a piece of something that we're reading in a funny accent. And I'm actually kind of reading a bunch of different stuff. I'll read a small section from each, like a really small section from each. And I'm reading this sort of for my RWS class, obviously. And then sort of this. I picked this up again. I think that was French. Maybe that was French. RWS, let's do that. Okay. The drip, drip, drip of my communities about friends on Facebook is corroding our capacity to determine the important, relevant, and significant. I do not need to know that Fiona is going out to get plastered on Friday night. I don't need to know that Peter snogged a woman in Comedia on Saturday. This endless washing into the banal corrodes our capacity to differentiate between the war on terrorism and the selection of hair care products or military buildup in the Middle East and shoe shopping. By the way, I had originally decided that I was going to do British for this. Ooh, that actually hit me in the face. But I decided I'm doing British, and then I was reading it, and I'm like, oh, this is written by someone who's British. I don't know what I'm doing for this. I might just do a baby voice. We'll just do number 13. Dispose of all dead bodies. Once the area is truly secure, burn both the bodies of the undead and those in your party who have fallen. First, this erases the chance of infected human corpses reanimating as zombies. Second, it prevents the health risk associated with any type of rotting flesh. Freshly slain humans provide an attractive meal for birds, scavenging animals, and of course, zombies. So yeah. I actually thought this was a really fun challenge because I enjoy reading aloud. It actually inspired me to do some of my homework because I want to read it aloud when my roommate's in the room, so I'm not going to read it aloud. But I will probably read some of Uncle Tom's Cabin aloud. And I'm going to readjust because this actually kind of hurts. I hope you can still see me fine. I think I should be fine. So yeah. Update time and response time. Callie. What was going on Daily Booth with invasions? I was so confused. I was just like, you're invading each other's rooms? Is it something to do with being Polish? I'm confused. I want to know. Jane, good luck on your date on Sunday. Or is it Saturday? It's probably sometime over the weekend. You're going to tell us on Sunday. That's what you said. So have fun. I'm sure it will go awesomely. Noxie, I hope you feel better because I don't like it when you're sad because I like people to be happy. So feel better. Loves. I'm also participating in Vegan Week for my residence hall. So I'm trying to be vegan this week, but I already don't eat really healthy as it is, and I already don't eat fruits and vegetables. Those are most fruits and vegetables. So basically I haven't had a full meal since Monday night. It's so bad. But I'm trying, and I will probably get salad or something tomorrow, so I'll be more healthy tomorrow. But yeah. Noxie, I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you're feeling better.